At the height of your career, you stepped back to focus on parenting. You took a break, if it can be called that. Was that a difficult decision?
It was a decision. My daughter gets very upset when I say this. But you know what I started doing is I would do my makeup at home so that I could spend a little more time with her. And one day she said, "What you doing?" I said, "I'm doing makeup." "Why?" I said, "Because I have to go for shooting." She said, "You don't go, let Pa go." It hit me. I mean, she had people taking care of her. We were always a joint family. But still, I mean, she said it very innocently, you know, a child wants a mother there. I said, time to step back. I started refusing films. And moreover, I was fed up because I was getting the same kind of roles.
You felt boxed in.
Either you play Guddi or Upahar or you play Abhiman. So there was nothing in between. I mean, I would have loved some other role.
Yeah.
But nothing new was coming. And this interested me more. The role of a mother and a wife was more interesting than going and sort of performing.
But you returned to movies, you returned to work.
Pardon me?
You were able to come back to acting.
Yes, I think after Shweta got married,
Yeah.
I felt a loneliness. I felt very, very, I mean, I've never been so disturbed in my life like I did when she got married. I don't know what happened. I just could not stop crying. And I was the hardest mother to this child. But you know, there was something that just left me. And I said, look, I can't do this. Fortunately, Govind Nehlani came to me and he said, will you do Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maan? I said, of course.
Yeah.
And that's how, went back.
Why do you think Shweta's, was it like was it an empty nest syndrome? Was it?
I don't know. I don't know.
What does she think it is?
But I think maybe because I come from a family of girls.
Yeah.
I mean, when Shweta was born, my father was celebrating and he was so happy. When Abhishek was born, he said, "Haan, theek hai."
Oh, poor Abhishek.
Yeah. Poor boy, yeah.
Poor boy.
Well, he's making up for it now, getting all the love.
Yes, absolutely. Can I ask you something? You said very passionately, I don't give a damn about what people say about me. And I actually love that in you because I think, kya दूसरों की opinion से क्या करना है? But
Barkha, sorry to दूसरों की opinion से आपका opinion बदल जाएगा?
नहीं.
Then why should you care?
I agree.